Hello everyone, if you're trying to run any code or run any program and you keep getting this error, VCRUNTIME140.DLL was missing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying VC runtime error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. And then you're going to scroll down here. You're going to go ahead and download both 86 and 64. And once you're done downloading both of these softwares, you're going to go ahead and install them. And after you're done with the installation, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to open up any application or execute your code, you'll see that you will not get that missing VC runtime error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.